Hello everyone, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies, and today we're going to be discussing why top-load cabinets are an advantage for a shop like yours. So these are our two top-load cabinets. We have the Micro Vapor Hone and we have the VH700. Now these obviously are both top-load, and the advantage to these cabinets are that they're gonna be space saving. They're gonna be compact. They're gonna fit in tight spaces. So if you're more of a hobbyist and you're doing this in a garage, not gonna take up too much room. Same thing with a smaller shop. If you don't have enough space, this is a great resolution for you. Now this 700 is closed loop, so it is on a stand, but if you got this bench top, it would just be the top part here and run as an open loop with the machine on top. The Micro, obviously, we have it on a cart here. You can either put it on this, a tabletop, anything really works, but these machines are great for compact spaces and saving you space while getting a finish you love. If you have any questions, give us a call. Our number here is 828-202-5563.